This is your very first season with REALice. You guys were using a reverse osmosis system.
We was in the new rink, yes. We were using that, and the softener system we were using to keep the water cleaner. Now that we're on REALice, we don't use any of that anymore. It's straight cold water out of the pipe.
Tell us, how is your ice?
My ice right now is awesome. It's much clearer than what it used to be, a lot harder. Less snow. My men's hockey coach is falling in love with this. He was on it a couple weeks ago. He had a clinic here with prospects going off to college.
Oh, there, the Colby Mules hockey. You're in the NCAA Division III.
Yep.
For both men and women. Is that right?
Yeah, all of our sports is Division III here. Yep. So this here was in the early stages when we first started I was pretty nervous because we'd never done this type of ice making. So I had reached out to Colleen about temperatures, where we should start when we started laying water, and she gave me some great information. The day we started to put the water down and to get the white paint down, some of my guys started to panic. They were watching the floor temperature rise. They were freaking out. So my supervisor, who's only been here for a few months, he's been here since late April, early May, he got a hold of the HVAC department and had them crank the temperature down to 14 degrees.
And what happened next?
Yeah, so when I came to work on Tuesday, the company that did the paint for us, they painted everything except the white. Wednesday, we started building up and not thinking about temperature. Stuff looked like it was laying good, freezing good. We worked our butts off. Friday afternoon, we go home. And then on Sunday morning, I'm on the golf course, and Tyler here behind me sends me a text message and says, our rink is all cracked. The ice is completely cracked from one end to the other. I walked into the rink and Monday morning and went, uh-oh. And then I actually reached out to Dave from Vermont State. He gave me some great information about shaving it down to about a ½ inch and then rebuilding, upping the floor temperature. So I took his direction. I upped my floor temp. We shaved down to about a ½ inch and we started laying water. A couple days later, I upped my floor temp again, and we got it up to an inch, a little over an inch, and we haven't had an issue since. And all the cracks that were in my ice, you can't see them now. They're gone.
So how warm are you right now?
I'm running my floor temp right now at 26 degrees.
Colby has got insulation. It's not, taking on those outdoor temperatures. Every single ice rink is different.
Yeah. We, when they built this facilities, they built it to the state of the art. I mean, this place is gorgeous. Yeah, and I think my dehumidification system right now is running around 60%.
Typically with hot water floods, you're probably setting it between 50 and 55. Have you seen reduction in your runtime hours so far?
The guys from the HVAC department are starting to take numbers every day so we can see what's going on. With the old system, the way we used to put the hot water down, 2 compressors running all the time. Now we're only seeing one compressor running. And we have 3 compressors in our chiller room that are 100 horsepower each. And we're down to, it looks like just one right now. If we ever have a normal Maine winter like we used to, I believe that my floor temperature can be evened up even higher. Tyler fell in love with the hand wand. He loves that thing. It makes life so much easier, instead of 5 guys in there moving hoses back and forth and blah, blah, blah. It's 3 guys, one guy running the wand, one guy just moving the hose from his feet, and one guy reeling it up as we come off the ice. I'm saving manpower just with that aspect.
Have you seen that clearer ice that we talk about all the time? We always say that we give you dense, clear, durable ice. Do you see that?
Oh yeah. We were shocked. Tyler and I we couldn't believe just how much clearer and how much the color from the paint is showing compared to when we were running hot water. Right now, it's clear.